Hi guys, on this video we are gonna demonstrate on how to marking, cutting and threaded over the pipe. Before that, we would like to introduce ourselves first. Hi, my name is Richie Wong.
Hi, my name is David Majantim.
Hi, my name is Francis Luis.
My name is Joshua W. Sivanjan.
Before we start our plumbing work, we need to make sure our member prioritize their safety first. The equipment that we must wear is safety boots, gloves, workshop clothes, and goggles. Next is, we must read all of the manual before start our work. Let's check out the equipment that we use. From the right side, we have heavy duty bucket, roller pipe cutter, carpenter pencil, metal oil can, 2 rods of galvanized iron pipe which known as JKA pipe, measuring tape, manual pipe threader, and lastly we use bench yoke vise. First of all, we need to do a cutting work. There are 2 methods to do this work, which is using hand equipment or using pipe threading machine. Now, we will demonstrate on how to use hand equipment. Before doing cutting work on pipe, we need to measure the pipe to get the length that we want. To measure it, we need to use the measuring tape. After that, we need to tighten the pipe that we measured just now on bench yoke vise so that the pipe does not vibrate during cutting. After that, we should use roller pipe cutter to cut off at the part that has been marked on the pipe. Make sure we tighten up the roller blade within the pipe. Rotate the pipe cutter until it cuts through the pipe. Okay, now we will demonstrate on how to thread it using manual pipe threader. First of all, we need to push the pipe threaded at the end of the pipe so that it will be secure. After that, rotate the pipe threader forward and backward. We also need metal oil can so the threaded process can be done easily. And this is the result after we thread the pipe. Now we will demonstrate on how to use pipe threading machine. This machine has 3 functions, which is cutting, leveling, and threading. First of all, we are showing on how to cut using this machine. We need to insert the pipe and rotate the wheel to tighten it. Next is leveling. To make the end of the pipe look neat, We need to push the blade to the end of the pipe and step on the pedal until it looks neat. Lastly is threading. We need to push the threading part until it hits the pipe and lock it. After all the step is done, we need to step on the pedal until the threading part stops threading. Next is bending. To bend the pipe that we threaded just now, we need to use pipe bender. We were ordered to bend on the center of the pipe. Now we will demonstrate on how to use this pipe bender. Now is pipe installation. First of all, we need to seal the threading part on pipe using white pipe tape. This must be done from left to right. We also seal the hose bib. After we done seal it, we need to connect it using joint. This process can be done using hand or bench yoke vise. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.